Let's return to the code behind from main page. And in main page, we're going to create an instance of main page view model. And then in the constructor, we will initialize an instance of main page view model. And then we can set our binding context to our view model, to main page view model. While we're here, let's create our event handler for the click button. We're going to make this also async, and it's going to say onClicked, and it's going to take an empty event args. We're going to set a local variable longitude to the result of parsing the entry lon, getting its text and parsing that for a double. We'll do the same thing with latitude. We say double.parse. We pass in lat, which is the name of the latitude entry, and then we ask for its text value. We're going to set the URL, and to do that we need to use string format. This is a rather long URL. It's http://api.geonames.org whack find nearby weather JSON. That's the name of the API that we're using specifically here. Then that's followed by a question mark to give us the arguments, and the arguments are that the lat equals whatever we're going to pass in from the latitude entry, and the longitude is equal to whatever we're going to pass in from the longitude entry, and then we need to use a registered username. And once we have that, we can add the arguments latitude and longitude for our substitution parameters. Now that we have the URL, we can call Get Weather Async on our view model and pass in that URL and say that we're going to await for the results of Get Weather Async, passing in the URL.